So you're thinking about buying a home, but you're not sure where to start? As a realtor, I do this every day. But I also understand that you may have never gone through the buying process, or maybe it's been a few years. And just like everything else in the world, things change rapidly. Buying a home is a big decision, but it doesn't have to be stressful if you know what to expect. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or it's been a while since your last home purchase, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step in this video series where we broke it down into bite-sized short videos that hopefully won't put you to sleep. So here's a quick overview of what you'll go through when buying a home. Number one, you need to assess your finances. Understanding credit, savings, and what you can afford is critical. Number two, getting pre-approved, and we'll discuss why this is crucial before house hunting. Number three, finding the right agent. How to pick someone who's truly going to help and not pressure you. Number four, we go house hunting, but we need to know what to look for and how to compare homes. Number five, we're making an offer and negotiating, and we need to learn how to submit a strong offer. Number six is the inspection and appraisal, ensuring the future home is worth what you're paying for it. Number seven is closing and moving in. What happens on closing day and beyond? So each video in this series will focus on these steps. So by the end, you're going to feel confident in navigating the home buying process no matter what your experience level. And bonus, if you forget something, you can go back and watch that specific video to refresh your memory. So if you're thinking about buying, stick with me through this series, and in the next video, we'll start the first step, assessing your finances to make sure you're armed and ready. Now, hit the like button, subscribe, or you can just binge all of these videos at once. But if you don't subscribe, you might miss a crucial video. Thanks for joining me. I'm Brian Ingle with the Chris Fritch team at eXp Realty, and we look forward to the next one.